So a pocket knife doesn't have to be shaving sharp, but it can be. If you've noticed some loose hair on your way to office in an elevator, you can take it off. And you can also play around with that thing. Show off your sharpening skills by cutting a piece of paper, pulling a piece of paper into the blade, or just shaving the surface of a piece of paper, having flat square entries and just speed tests. And the sharper it gets, the more fun it is. It's like a laser cutter. A sponge test is a particularly nasty one because the sponge is actually a bit abrasive, so it attacks the blade, but no problem, you can just pull a sharp blade through it. It's like a laser beam. Just touch the thing and it goes right through it. You can even push a piece of foam into it, a piece of sponge, and you gotta be careful, but again, it's quite a satisfying thing. Even when you cut nylon, the thing survives. The edge of the blade is sharpened at a 30-degree angle, which makes the utility knife a proper Swiss Army knife. It's not scared of these torture tests. So I made a couple of them, and I have some in stock, but I can make a few a day, technically. And they come in this tiny box. I'm also gonna sell them without the box, because the box is actually pretty annoying to make as well. And they just stick on the knife like that. Pretty solid. Tight tolerances. Doesn't fall off. So they have logo of the web page on both sides. Touch the strop or what you have, and it works with any kind of sharpening equipment you already have at home. And then you gotta be careful when folding the thing, because it's razor sharp, sharper than ever. So you strap it on a rock, gets the initial blade, can sharpen it to the tip because it follows the curve of the blade. Comes in a box, has some stropping compound in it. Can put that thing on paper and strop it on paper, and then cut the same paper to test if it's sharp enough. Here's a small demo, speed up. Takes a few hours of stropping to get the thing sharp enough, sharper than ever needs to be. And with no time at all, sharp. You technically can even strop it while watching TV or being distracted by something, because the angle is kept so well that it's really hard to mess it up. And there will be no scratches on the side of your blade at any point ever. And it is razor sharp. Sharper than ever. This shaving test on the edge of the paper is my favorite. And that's the brand name. SharpA. Sharper than ever. So, yeah. I have some of them in stock in my webpage, and I'm gonna try selling them online. Try and get yours. Could use some advice in the comments on how to scale it up, the manufacturing and the sales. That's about it. SharpA.